In this video, I will guide you on how to use Afterpay at Kroger. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so to use Afterpay at Kroger, start by visiting the Kroger website, explore the various items they offer, and add your desired items to the shopping cart. Then, when you're ready to settle the bill, just head to the checkout page. Now, scroll through or check the payment options, and if Afterpay is supported, you will find it listed there. Just go ahead and select Afterpay as your payment choice. Now, just follow the prompts to complete the Afterpay transaction. If you're already using Afterpay, then just go ahead and log in, and if not, no sweat, just sign up for an Afterpay account when you're checking out. And that's it! Afterpay typically divides your total order into smaller interest-free payments. Just keep an eye on the payment schedule to ensure you can manage the repayments comfortably. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.